열어봐.
지금 하는 진짜 어?
내 이야기를 잘 들어야 돼.
어?
여기가 있잖아.
어떻게 할래? 어?
네, 한바탕 참교육이 끝나고 이제 다시 이어서 분해를 하기 위해서 작업을 시작하고 있습니다. 네, 좀 자주 해야 될 것 같아요. 제가 이제 밖에 나가서 바쁘게 일을 하지만 저희 집에 거를 너무 신경을 못 쓴 것 같아요. 이제 혼나도 싸요. 네, 자주 하도록 노력해 보겠습니다. 그래도 1년에 한 번씩 저희 집 세탁기를 세척하려고 마음을 먹고 있었는데 일이 너무 바빠서 손을 못 대다 보니까 이렇게까지 대참사가 났네요. 혼나도 싸요, 와이프한테. 네. 혹시 이 영상을 보는 세척업자분들은 집에 것 좀 잘 닦아주시면 좋을 것 같아요. 나가서 돈 버는 것도 중요하지만 예, 저도 혼나면서 와이프랑 저희 아이들한테 미안하다는 생각을 했어요. 멘탈이 털리든지 지갑이 털리든지 둘 중에 하나가 선택을 해야 될 상황이 될 뻔했는데 다행히 폭풍은 지나갔습니다. 이제 이어서 분해하고 세척을 해보도록 할게요.
The sound of deafening fear. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that, got me be obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go. Don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
약 1년 4개월 만에 저희 집 세탁기 분해 청소를 했는데 바쁘단 핑계로 맨날 안 하고 미뤄뒀다가 큰맘 먹고 촬영 겸해서 오늘 열었다가 와이프한테 혼나고 얻어 터지기도 했는데 그래도 깨끗하게 세척된 걸 보니까 기분이 너무 좋고 우리 와이프랑 애들한테 너무 미안한 감정이 듭니다. 이게 다음번에는 1년 되기 전에 한번 다시 뜯어가지고 꼭 세척을 하고 깨끗한 상태로 만들어 놓고 쓰도록 하겠습니다. 영상이 혹시 재미있었거나 유익한 영상이라고 생각되시면 구독, 좋아요 한번 부탁드리겠습니다.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.